P says P. P is for Pūkeko, can you see? Bright blue feathers and big red feet. Can you stomp, stomp, stomp your feet with me? Can you stomp your feet like a Pūkeko? Stomp, 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 stomp. That's it! P is for Pūkeko, P is for Pūkeko, P is for Pūkeko. P says P. Q says Qu. Q is for Quail, quick, quick, quick. Scurry, 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 go Koreke chicks. Scurry, 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 quick, quick, quick. Can you run quickly like a quail chick? Quick, 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 quick. Great job! Q is for Quail, Q is for Quail, Q is for Quail. Q says Qu. R says R. R is for Ruru, can you see? Ruru gliding through the trees. Can you spread your wings and fly with me? Can you fly like a Ruru? Flap, 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 flap. Well done! R is for Ruru, R is for Ruru, R is for Ruru. R says R. S says S. S is for Seahorse, can you see? Manaia bobbing in the sea. Can you bob, bob, bob along with me? Can you bob up and down like a seahorse? Up and down, look at you go! S is for Seahorse, S is for Seahorse, S is for Seahorse. S says Sir. T says Ta. T is for Tuatara by the stream, chasing flies for his tea. Can you creep, creep, creep along with me? Can you creep like a Tuatara? Creep, creep, creep. Wow, great creeping! T is for Tuatara, T is for Tuatara, T is for Tuatara. T says Ta. A, B, C, come along with me, learning through the land and sea, from the green, green forest to the deep blue sea. Learn with Tipi the seed, that's me. Can you find somewhere in Aotearoa where one of today's animals lives? Maybe a beach, a river, a harbour, or even your local wildlife reserve. Remember, good explorers always look carefully and leave nature just as they found it. A, B, C, come along with me. Learn